Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Cabbie. Okay, so we're going to start off with a quick sketch just to try to figure out where I'm going to put him. And how I want him posed. I know you probably can't see it right now, but this helps me determine where everything's going to be. And let's see, let's try to make him into a more fun pose here. Let's see, he's just going to be kind of happy to be here. And sticking his hand out in kind of a wave, like that. Okay, let's give him some muscles. And this will make more sense once I switch over to a Sharpie and you can see it more. But this will at least give me some room to make sure I get everything in here. Then we can get to detail, right? Alright, I think I might be ready to start switching over, because I think I've got enough where I need in the right places to just start drawing. Okay, actually I'm going to do that real quick. Give him some little bags to his clothes. And what I mean by that is a little bit of detail for myself is what I'm adding. So, okay, let's do that. So I'm going to switch over to Sharpies now, which you can probably start drawing with a regular pencil. And so since I know where everything's going to be, I'm going to go ahead and just start drawing it out. So I'm going to start with his eyes. I'm going to give him some eyes, like this. And then the pupils and his brow. I'm going to do like this. Okay. And let's see, he's got a prominent nose, so we're going to go ahead and just do that. And that'll give us his nose and nostrils, right? So I'm going to do that for his mouth, and all we're going to do for his lip is pretty much that. And that'll give us the idea or the indication that there is a lip. We don't have to actually draw his lips in. We can, but it'll look more like he's wearing lipstick. So for right now, we're just going to do that. And he's got a prominent chin, so I'm going to kind of do this. And then now I can do the other features. And so I'm going to switch over to the big fat Sharpie for this, which oddly enough is called a fine point Sharpie. And this will make everything else stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the edge of his face, since I know where it's going to be. Like that. And bring it down. Up like this. Gonna give him a slight ear like that. And now I can draw his hair, which he's got little whippy hair. Let's see if I can do that with the fat Sharpie. It's kind of hard to do, but we'll just fake it, right? Okay, I'm going to draw the top of his head like this. A little bit more whippies. And there, that'll take care of his head. So now let's switch to his neck and handkerchief, whatever this is going to be. And let's go ahead and draw the bottom like that. And I'm going to come from behind and do a little stair step like that. And that's just because this folds over a few times, right? So it kind of goes like this. And so that's why I kind of did a little stair stepping thing. Okay. And then we'll bring that down and one more. And connect it like that. And then we'll take care of the checkerboard coloring of that in a second. Let's do his arms and chest. So he's got the backpack holder right here, so we're going to draw that around. Let's go ahead and do it on this side too. We know where that's going to be. I'm going to draw his chest in like that. So I'm going to draw the back of his, and like that. I'm going to stop right there because I'm going to do a hand right there. Let's do his shoulders like that, and he's got a little bit of a sleeve, so I'll add that real quick. And so he's got biceps that kind of come in like this. And I know his elbow is going to be right there, so I can go ahead and add that part of the arm. And then I'm going to draw his forearm like that. Okay, and let's draw his hand. I have his hand out like this. Because I've already drawn it or sketched it, I know where I want everything to touch. So I'm just going to kind of put some dots to guide me where I'm going to go, because the sketch told me where to put that. So I'm just going to draw a hand out like this, draw a thumb, connect it to where that is. Then I'm just going to, again, connect these dots. La 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 la, connect the dots. La 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 la. I'm sorry, that's from Pee-wee. I can't take that. Okay, and there's a hand. Just pretty much just doing like that, and that's good. But he's got gloves on, so let's go ahead and draw that too. So we're going to do like this, like that, and go from there, okay? So there's that part, so we can worry about it. He's got the little communicator that you can't really see, but we'll just throw that in there, okay? So this part is going to be a hand that's kind of on his hip, so let's go ahead and draw this in. So I'm going to draw the knuckles where it's connecting right there. Then I can draw the hand back, and that way I know where it's going to be, okay? So let's draw the forearm like this, up to an elbow like that, and he's got gloves on, so we don't have to worry about anything else from there. So let's draw the rest of his shoulder here. So he's going to have the bicep like that, one like this, around, and like that, and that'll take care of what's in front and what's in back, okay? So let's draw his belts. He's got a couple of them here, like everybody from the old design. When they first started designing all these characters in Fortnite, everybody had 2 belts. I mean, okay, it is a kind of a one to hold your pants on and one to hold whatever this is, which is some kind of little little compartment that he held stuff on. They all kind of do that. It's a design. It's all it really is. So you just kind of keep working with it. And let's draw his pants, okay? So I'm going to, he's got another pack over here, so I'm just going to go and throw that on because I know about where that is. So that way I can draw his pants like that. So I'm going to come in here in the middle and draw like this. And I'll take care of the bag of his pants. And because I wanted that first, because it goes in front of this one, like that. They could bring this down, and that's where that's going to be. So now we're going to draw his shin protectors and his boots. So this first one over here, we're going to come from the bottom and draw up like this. And that'll take care of that one. Let's do this one over here. That'll take care of that. Let's draw a couple of straps that hold it together. And we're going to go in and like that, so it'll look like it is pulling the pants in like this. And we'll go ahead and do a couple of lines like that, just to indicate that it's like that. Okay. So same thing. Everybody has those lace protectors. I mean, I know they're not lace protectors, but that's what they look like to me. Let's do the other one over here, like that. So now we can draw his boots. So I'm going to come out and down. So we'll come out and down because we'll do it at the same time. And this is pretty much that, okay? So we're going to come over, up, and back for the heel. So we're going to go over, up, and back. But it's behind it, so you can't really see it too much. So let's draw some treads. Same thing here. And that is Cabbie. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.